Banana bread is a sweet, cake-like bread very popular in the US. At my house, it has become a regular. So much so that I started adding sourdough starter and our favorite toppings to make it our signature family recipe. So here is my banana bread with sourdough starter. To start, place 225 grams, which is about 2 whole bananas, in the bowl of a stand mixer. You really don't need a stand mixer to make this banana bread, but just one if you have it. Make sure to use bananas that are at least this ripe, but it will be better if you use some that look like this one. The more ripe, the better. That will improve the flavor of your bread in the end. Add 115 grams or half a cup of brown sugar. Feed the stand mixer with the paddle attachment and start mixing all the ingredients. Add 110 grams or a stick of butter at room temperature, cut in pieces, as you keep mixing the batter. Add 100 grams, which is about 2 eggs at room temperature. Add 50 grams or 3 1/3 of a tablespoon of milk at room temperature. Add 2 grams or half a teaspoon of salt. And add 100 grams or 1/3 of a cup of ripe sourdough starter. You can also use sourdough starter discard for this recipe. Mix the sourdough starter into the batter and add 50 grams or 1/4 of a cup of spelt flour. This flour will give a delicious nutty flavor to your banana bread. If you don't have it at hand, you can substitute it with regular flour. Add 175 grams or 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Let all the ingredients mix well and add 8 grams or 1 1/4 teaspoons of baking powder. Use a spatula to clean the walls of the bowl and mix one last time to ensure that all the ingredients are well incorporated. Add 50 grams or 1/4 cup of chopped pecan nuts and 125 grams or 3/4 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Mix with a silicone spatula until the nuts and the chocolate is well incorporated. Place all the batter in a 9 by 5 inch or 23 by 13 centimeter baking pan. Feed it with parchment paper. Distribute the batter well with your silicone spatula. Place the bread in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 65 minutes. After 65 minutes, insert a skewer in the center of your bread. And if the skewer is clean, when you take it out, your bread is ready. So, take the bread out of the oven and let it cool off for at least 30 minutes in the baking pan. After 30 minutes, take the bread out of the pan and place it on a cooling rack. You can go ahead and slice it. This bread is very moist and delicious. I hope you enjoy it as much as we do. The addition of chocolate and nuts make this banana bread a recipe to keep. This is a great and easy recipe that will become one of your favorites. If you like this video, please click in the like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe I have a new recipe every week. Thank you for watching.